You have been dating a nice guy for some time now, but over the last week, you hardly heard anything from him apart from a short text. Even after you send him more texts, he still doesn't reply. Why doesn't he like you anymore? Well, obviously I can't read his mind. But in this video, I will discuss the possible reasons why he is ignoring you and how you can get his attention and get him to reply back to you. By the end of this video, you will know why men ignore women, what to do when you're being ignored or ghosted by a guy, the best way to get a man's attention when he is ignoring you. This will give you a good toolkit that can help you with all the different situations that you might encounter in your dating life. So, stay to the end. With that, let's get started with 6 simple tips to quickly get his attention back. Tip number 1. Stop texting him. If you've been texting him constantly, it's possible that he's taken you for granted. Don't come across as desperate. If you don't stop fixating on him, he may become turned off by your attachment to him or even find you annoying. Your affection may appear to be an unhealthy obsession. There is a chance that you might drive him away forever if you don't stop with your texting antics. But if you stay calm and think this through, you can get his attention when he ignores you over text. This is one of the most simple yet powerful ways to make a guy miss you. When you stopped chasing your boyfriend for attention, he would find that odd and want to find out if you are still interested in him. Once you made it clear that such hot and cold behavior won't be tolerated or accepted, he will realize he was wrong to ignore you without any concrete reason. So, when you put an end to your constant text messages, he will begin to wonder why he isn't receiving your attention anymore. That will make him curious to know if all is well with you. He will chase you once you stop chasing him. It's as simple as that. Tip number 2. Give him space and time. Many times, when a guy suddenly starts ignoring you, it ends because of the things going on in his head. He may be having doubts about himself, the relationship, or even wondering if you are taking things too fast. This sudden move to go cold on you could result from many internal battles he has told you nothing about. The second trick to getting him back is to give him less attention as well. One thing you may not know is that men also love attention. Sometimes they'll go to many lengths to get it, even give you the cold shoulder. So, another sure way to get his attention when he ignores you is to turn the tables on him. Tip number 3. Make him jealous. Studies over the years have revealed that territorial behavior is common to males of many animal species. It is their way of marking what is theirs, preventing competition, and keeping their clans safe for a long time. Here's the fun fact. Territorial behavior doesn't only stop with animals. Humans exhibit it as well. A man does this to keep other men off your back and let the world know you're his. One way to get his attention when he ignores you is to make him jealous. When you make him jealous, you activate his territorial behavior. As time passes, he would come to his senses and return to tell everyone that you are his. A simple way to accomplish this is to try flirting with other men when both of you go out, and he won't seem to give you the time of day. I agree it's not the most sensible way, but it definitely does the trick of getting a man's attention, especially when he has been ignoring you and you don't know the reason for it. Tip number 4. Ask for his help. If you don't want to go down the ignore him route, you can always try asking for his help. Men love to feel useful and valuable to you, even if they ignored you just a few minutes ago. When you reach out for his help, you make him know that the doors are open for communication and that you still value his input in your life. The easiest way to accomplish this is to ask him about work-related stuff if you are in the same line of work, or request his help to fix something in your house. Just ensure that you don't come off as desperate while requesting his help. Tip number 5. Ignore his social media presence. To poke the bear, he may even decide that this is an excellent time to be active on social media. So you may notice that he's suddenly posting more of himself on Instagram and Facebook to announce something every other day. One way to get his attention when he ignores you is to overlook his whole social media presence. This may be difficult initially, but it gets better as time passes. Since this wasn't the reaction he expected from you, he would get thrown off. With time, he may return to his senses and reach out again. Tip number 6. Be radiant and glow. This works like magic, especially when you have to see yourselves often. For example, you don't want him to see you looking like trash if you work in the same building. If he is a narcissist, he may get some kick out of thinking that you're miserable because he's been ghosting you. However, you want to make sure that you look radiant. Take some extra time to dress up in the morning. Ensure you look dashing. Wear a little extra makeup. Put a little extra sachet in your steps as you walk into your office complex or wherever you know he'll be seeing you. Greet people with a big smile on your face. It is just a matter of time till he comes back. There you have it, girls. Tips to get his attention. Knowing how to get his attention when he ignores you is an integral part of building a solid and healthy relationship. When you know what to do to get his eyes on you again, your relationship will be exciting. This video has covered 6 things you must do to get back his attention. Try out all 6 of them and watch what happens. Then again, if it is evident that he doesn't want to give you his attention, please know when to cut your losses and walk away. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you want to know, sign your partner doesn't love you anymore, then watch this video.